Okay, this is regular geometry, unit 4, number 98. So the area of the rectangle shown is 40 square units. So the area of that rectangle is 40. Write and solve an equation to find x and find the dimensions of the rectangle. So this is a generic rectangle, right, which is what we would use to like factor stuff or multiply two binomials together. And essentially by multiplying these two binomials together, we are finding the area of the rectangle. Okay, that's why they call it a generic rectangle, because the length times width of any rectangle is going to be the area. So we're just going to plug in all these boxes here, what we get from multiplying these together, turn it into an expression, and set that expression equal to 40. So this is 5x, that's 10, this is x squared, and this is 2x. So when we add all these things together, we get x squared plus 7x plus 10 equals 40. So this is the algebraic expression on the left for the area of that rectangle. Then 40 is the actual numeric value of the area that we were given. In order to solve this, I'm going to have to set it equal to 0. So I'm going to subtract 40 to the other side here. So x squared plus 7x minus 30 equals 0. And now I'm going to try and factor that quadratic to see if we can get it. So x times x is x squared. Now we want factors of negative 30 that will give us 7. So let's see, how about 10 minus 3, right? 10 minus 3 is 7, 10 times negative 3 is negative 30. So we have plus 10, we have minus 3. We set each of these factors equal to 0 because we have two solutions here since it's a quadratic. So x equals negative 10 and x equals 3. Okay, unfortunately, one of these answers is a lot better than the other. X cannot be negative 10. Right? If we try and plug negative 10 into the side length of this rectangle, we're going to get negative 5 there and negative 8 there. We can't have a negative side length for a rectangle. So we got to throw that answer out. Our correct value of x is going to be 3. And so we got to plug that back into the side lengths here to get the actual dimensions of the rectangle. So when x equals 3, the dimension of this side is 3 plus 2, which is 5. And the dimension of this side is 5 plus 3, which is 8. So x equals 3, the dimensions of that rectangle are 5 by 8, which makes sense because 5 times 8 is 40, which we were told the area was. If you have any questions about how we set that up or solve that out, feel free to leave a question or comment. Otherwise, you're always welcome to like, subscribe, or share the videos.